If you want to organize the accounts you follow on X, one of the easiest ways is by using lists. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add lists in x.com, also known as Twitter, so you can keep up with specific topics, creators, or accounts in one place. This is a simple feature, but it can make a big difference if you want a cleaner and more focused timeline. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's get right into it. First, open x.com and make sure you're signed into your account. On the left-hand navigation bar, look for More and click on it. This will open up additional menu options that are not visible in the main sidebar. Once the menu expands, click Lists. This is where all of your Twitter or X lists are managed. After that, you'll see the Lists page, where you can either search for a list or browse the suggested section. If you already know the list you want, simply use the search option to find it quickly. If you see a list you want to add from the suggested section, just click the plus icon next to that list. That adds it to your account right away. And that's it, you've now added a list in x.com or Twitter. It only takes a few clicks, but it's a great way to stay organized and follow the content that matters most to you. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide.